Hi guys, I know I look very calling, but yeah, I'm about to go to sleep because so I wanna take my medication and journal before I fall asleep. Because tomorrow I have quite a demanding day, and I need to be full of strength. Right now it's almost 11. I'm gonna be up by 5, latest 6. Um, I wanted to show you guys something because I've been postponing it. I don't know why I've been postponing it, by the way. Sijui hata reason. But I was really excited about it. Let me see. See where I'm gonna place you. You can ignore this. I was doing my charcoal face mask and this landed here. And this dress is clean. So I was like, that mark won't make me not wear my dress tonight. It can get cleaned tomorrow. So this is what I wanted to unbox with you guys. I don't know if you can see it. This light is red. Let's see if that's gonna be better. Is that better? Anyway, so it's this perfume. Let me get my makasi. I really don't like having sisters sometimes because they really invade your privacy and it's really annoying sometimes, guys. So this is the box. Oh, so my mom gifted me this like the beginning of December 2023 because right now in 2024 January. So she gifted me like early December. I didn't get a chance to unbox it, but I was really excited. Don't doubt on that. But I kinda, like I kinda know the scent of this perfume because I've owned a similar perfume before. It's a cute one. I really love that she thought about it. It was actually random. She just woke me up another morning and decided to surprise me. And I was still so sleepy. I'm like, what's happening? It's early in the morning. What's up? She's like, I'm gifting you this. I don't even remember everything she said, but yeah, she was traveling. That's why she came so early in the morning to give me my gift, which we're gonna unbox. And the reason why I've actually gotten to unbox it right now is because the perfume I've been using imeisha. Let me show you guys the container. Here it is. It's called Mirage. It's a dope one. This one yani nimeitumia hadi imeisha, yani hakuna hata ile. And then it has this strong personality scent that I really really love. A strong one. Yani when you perfume this one, you're standing on your business, baby. So imeisha kabisa. Hence I had to move on. So sijispray sahi because definitely naenda kulala. So I'm gonna start using it tomorrow. I usually have a perfume and a body splash. Let me show you my current body splash, which pia inakaribia kuisha, and I was actually thinking of getting the body splash ya hii, but sijajua kama hata ina exist. I'll go check out. Here's the bottle top. Na vitu mingi. I need to give out some, but I don't have to because I need them. So this is the top. Ni vile sasa it's very complicated. It's so cute but very complicated. It has a very cute Roselle. That's the name. So inaingia hapa and then that way. And the reason why I can stay without this, that I kept it separate, it's because it has now this top. See? Then now the body splash. As you can see, it's almost over. I kind of feel like one of my sisters like has been using it because last time I checked ilikuwa hapa. See? Ilikuwa hapa. So iko hapa. I'm gonna launch an investigation and find out and have the culprit punished. Then, yeah, sina story mingi. I really want. I also have to take my medication. Yeah, acidity. I usually have ulcers, and if I don't medicate it, it gets painful sometimes, really painful and uncomfortable. I don't want to make a lot of noise. I don't know why I'm talking. It's not my nature to talk this slow, but I think it's because Amani is sleeping. I don't want to wake her up because tomorrow she's going back to school, and we want her to have her last holiday sleep peacefully. Ooh, I love the texture of the box. Chastity. Sijui kusoma hizo vitu, so let's keep it moving. I will not test it, guys, because I'm about to sleep. And I'm very sensitive to perfumes. Let's start from there. I don't overdo my perfume at all. I have like my own personal body scent, which is cute, which I really love and appreciate. And when I'm adding this, it's just, for good vibes. But I don't like a lot of perfume. I can easily, like, I really admire people who use, I don't know, colognes. I don't know what those other deodorants, perfume, whatever that classification of perfumes. I really appreciate those people. Like when you meet them, you can just hear it's a very toned cologne, like haiko everywhere. There are some people you meet, and then personally, I find there are some people it doesn't affect. I know there are people like me who you end up like sniffing such kind of uh, strong perfume and you feel like puking or your head is aching or you're sneezing. I don't like it at all. And it actually makes me nosebleed sometimes. So it's that serious. So that's why I cannot spray it right now. And also because someone is in dreamland and I don't want to disturb her. So yeah, that's why it is. Haki nilikuwa na uvivu. My ring light is there, but I don't feel like this is a vlog, guys. Can you just see how cute it is? The top. There it is. There is the magic. Can you see that? That's the box. That's how it looks. So it's a very good presentation. Can you see that? That's how it looks. And then we have, what was that? Oh, there's like a pamphlet imeanguka. I think ilikuwa hapa ndani, sikuwa nimeiona. So yeah, this is how divine this perfume looks like. I find it very fragile because once imeanguka yote iko nje, but it has actually, if I can describe this for you guys, I think I'm gonna also use it tomorrow so that I can give you a definitive. But one thing I know about it has this soft feminine energy, which is not really my personality, but I don't mind for vibes. Here's a pamphlet. Okay, na ni kubwa. Tutoke the main character hapa. Never mind. So this is how the pamphlet looks like. I think it's giving all range of perfumes, maybe from the main collection. Razazi perfumes. And plenty. They have very cute bottles. Like as you can see, this one is like kind of wavy, no shape. See that shape? Can you see it? It's giving some kind of wine bottle. So yeah, here are the perfumes. Siwezi kuzisoma zote bana. Oh, at least let me. Is there? Oh, okay. So at least let me read the chastity part. What they're saying about chastity and feminine. I told you guys it has this strong femininity. Told you I was not wrong. It's here, guys. It's written here. Feminine. Let me see. You can't. A fragrance that epitomizes a striking new image of a fresh young woman that matches the essence of purity. A clean and transparent fragrance that gives a lot of freshness and leavened with green, fruity top notes. The dry down has a lasting character and power, which is very true. It is subtle. Let me add that word here. Na wamesema a clean and transparent. Like it's a perfume you can vibe with it. Like it's not that picky. You, I've not had, and I don't think I'll ever hear someone saying this perfume is too much. It's not. It's actually good as it is. Like it's just subtle. It's just it has all the vibes that it needs to have and give. And yeah, that's enough for my unboxing. I'll have to be storing it in this box so that what? Where's my neck pinning? I'll have to be storing it in this box for some good safety measurement, because I don't have, you see how there are some people who have like a cabinet full of perfumes. I've never gotten to that point of having a collection of perfume. Like I just like, how do I explain? The same way you find someone has so many skincare products. Mimi, I'll have my products once iishe na buy ingine hivyo. I want to go buy at a different range of, kila mtu na style yake, but that is never including me. Okay, I'm gonna try and take a good picture of this, but I can maybe leave it here on the screen. Yeah, it is what it is. So let me go journal, take my meds and journal, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully, God willing. And yeah, I love you guys, and thank you so much for being here. I don't take it for granted. Okay. I'm so happy kids are going back to school. It's been a long time coming. Also today, I think it's on a Monday. Today, KCC results were released, and I've not even known if people passed or failed. I've not followed up. I've been quite held up, so I don't know. But I'm happy. People should go to school. I should have like our own, what is it called? Anyway, let me hydrate, get into my night vibes, and and my face is so shiny because I've done a beautiful skincare routine, and I am happy. Good night, guys. Always do your best, and God will do the rest. Okay. Mwah. Mwah.